The Natural Sciences course at Cambridge is incredibly broad and varied. When you apply, you can choose to apply through the biological or the physical route. This will determine parts of how you're assessed in the application process. However, when you become a student at the University of Cambridge, you can actually choose from a wide array of modules, whether they're biological, physical, somewhere in between. You can view a full list of modules on the university website, although they are subject to change, so do keep that in mind. Sometimes modules are based on what you've studied at A-level, but some modules have no prerequisites at all. So let's say you're interested in studying biological natural sciences. You've applied through the biological route and you're looking at the kinds of biological options you could take in the course. In your first year, you might start with biodiversity, evolution and ecology, biomedical sciences, or biomolecules and cells. Or you could try something completely different like earth sciences, which has no A-level prerequisites. Further on in the course, you can get even more specialized. For example, in second year, you could look at neurobiology in health and disease or quantitative environmental science. Then in third year, you could do things like biochemistry, plant sciences, or zoology. The Natural Sciences course also includes an optional fourth year, so you can specialize even more and come out with a master's degree. They've actually recently revised the curriculum for biological natural sciences, so you can follow expertly curated pathways or you can make the course completely your own. This is one of the great things about the Natural Sciences course at Cambridge. You can follow your interests and you're not locked into any one option. Even if you apply on the physical route, you could end up as a biologist by the end of the course. On the course, you would experience a wide variety of teaching, including lectures, labs, fieldwork, and the famous Cambridge supervision, which is small group teaching. Natural Sciences graduates work in all kinds of areas. A lot of our students will go on to further research or academia, but they also work in lots of different areas like medical development, scientific consulting, teaching, and more. Both David Attenborough and Jane Goodall studied natural sciences here at Cambridge, if you want a taste of quite how far it could take you. So if there are all these options available to you, which should you apply for, biological or physical? Follow your interests and what you're good at. As I said at the start of the video, the stream that you choose can have some impact on how you're assessed in the application process. So it's best to choose something that you're confident on being assessed in. But the beauty of the course is that you can always change later on.